Hello, a very good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to discuss the next dynasty, that is the Pamar dynasty. ठीक है, similar to the Chand dynasty, which is ruling in the Kumaon region, the Pamar dynasty has been ruling in the Gadwal region. ठीक है, got it, everyone? Okay. So the dynasty, this dynasty of Pawar is being ruled by 52 kings. ठीक है, till the 14th century. So they ruled till the 14th century. ठीक है, got it, everyone? As per the Atkinson, Williams, H.K. Rathodi, V. Rathodi, the Kanakpal was the founder of the particular Pawar dynasty. ठीक है, in 887 AD, this Kanakpal came to the Gadwal for pilgrimage, and during his visit, he met the king Sonpal. ठीक है, then after meeting the king Sonpal, the daughter of Bhanu Pratap, ठीक है, in some texts it is being written that King Sonpal married his daughter to Kanakpal and declared him as a successor. But in some texts, such as per the Atkinson Williams, the Bhanu Pratap provided his daughter or married his daughter to Kanakpal, and then Kanakpal got the Chandpur Gad as a prize and laid his foundation of the Pawar dynasty. The Chandpur Gad is near Karnaprayag. ठीक है, गॉट इट एवरीवन? सो हिस्ट्री में थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन है, राइट? लेकिन मेजरली जो है एटकिंसन की हिस्ट्री होती है, जो एटकिंसन के अकॉर्डिंग और विलियम्स के अकॉर्डिंग और रतूड़ी जी के अकॉर्डिंग्स, उसके अकॉर्डिंग माना जाए तो जो कनकपाल है, कनकपाल ने भानु प्रताप की डॉटर के साथ विवाह किया और फिर भानु प्रताप जी ने उनको चांदपुर गढ़ दिया. चांदपुर गढ़ में उन्होंने अपने पवन डायनेस्टी का स्टार्ट करा. ठीक है, गॉट इट एवरीवन? ओके, ठीक है. आफ्टर द व्हाट वी कैन से द कनकपाल, मेनी पवार रूलर्स ruled the Garhwal, but we will be discussing only the most important Pawar rulers. So next Pawar rulers that is most important is the Sonpal. Sonpal ruled from 1243 to 1250 AD. It is the 24th king. ठीक है, and he made his capital to the Bhilang Valley. ठीक है, but his some of his heirs divided the capital in two regions, in Bhilang Ghati, and second one is the Chandpur Gad. Those who were ruling from the Bhilang Ghatis are known as the Sonvanshi. ठीक है, after Sonpal, Lakhan Dev, he ruled the Gadwal region, and he is the 28th king. He ruled from 1310 to 1333 AD. ठीक है, and in Tamra Mudra, ठीक है, inscription, he has been named as Lakhan Dev. He is known as the Lasan Dev. ठीक है, got it everyone? His capital is Bhilangati, so he is what? He is the Sonvanshi. ठीक है, and he is the first independent king. ठीक है, got it everyone? After Lakhan Dev or Lasan Dev, Anantapal II ruled from 1333 to 1345. He is the 24th king and he is also the Sonvanshi. ठीक है, after Anantapal, Jagatpal became the 34th king. He ruled from 1444 to 1460. ठीक है, and in Devrayag inscription, which is found at the Raghunath temple in 1455 Iswi, he is known as Rajwar. Rajwar is the very good title given to the king. ठीक है, got it everyone? After the most powerful, one of the powerful king of the dynasty, Ajaypal, he became the 37th king. ठीक है, before the Ajaypal, the Gadwal has been divided into many Gads, or we can say the Bhavans. So there are total 52 Gads or 52 Bhavans. ठीक है. Ajaypal won all the 52 Gads, united them, and established himself as a strong political power. Then he shifted his capital to Devalgarh. ठीक है. He shifted his capital to Devalgarh. And finally, he shifted his capital to Srinagar. ठीक है. Got it, everyone? He was the one who snatched the throne of gold from Katyuri rulers, and he established a good administrative system. He was founder of the 10 sets of Gorakhpanthis. ठीक है. He was one of the founder of the 10 sets of the Gorakhpanthis. We will be discussing the Gorakhpanthis in later classes. ठीक है, so don't worry. ठीक है. So Ajaypal, he is the 37th king. He ruled from 1490 to 1519, and he was the most powerful kings. He united the 52 Gads. ठीक है. एक छत्र शासन. So his rule is termed as the एक छत्र शासन. ठीक है. He fight with the Kirti Chand. I have told you in the paper class about the Kirti Chand. So he was contemporary to the Kirti Chand, and Kirti Chand was the first ruler, ठीक है, who defeated the Ajaypal. ठीक है. He was the first king who fight with the Pamar dynasty, and he defeated the Ajaypal. ठीक है. So Kirti Chand has defeated the Ajaypal. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि अजयपाल ने अपनी कैपिटल जो चंदपुरगढ़ से सबसे पहले देवलगढ़ में इन 1506 ही शिफ्टेड, दैट श्रीनगर इन 1570 ही शिफ्टेड. ठीक है. दिस अजयपाल, ही इज नोन एज द गढ़वाल अशोक और अशोक ऑफ गढ़वाल. ठीक है. बिकॉज सच इज द अशोक हु अडॉप्टेड द बुद्धिस्ट एट लास्ट, ही अडॉप्टेड द गोरखनाथ पंथ. ठीक है. ही इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द गोरख, गढ़वाल का नेपोलियन, गढ़वाल का अशोक, गढ़वाल का दुर्योधन, गढ़वाल का विश्व मारक. ठीक है. ही अडॉप्टेड द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द सरोल ब्राह्मण. व्हाट इज सरोल ब्राह्मण? द हायर कास्ट ऑफ द ब्राह्मण्स. ठीक है. दे यूज्ड टू मेक द मील्स एंड सर्व द मील्स टू द people. ठीक है. सो ऑल सोसाइटी ऑफ द पीपल और irrespective of the caste, ठीक है, they used to take the meals. ठीक है. So to somehow he used the concept to stop the discrimination in his kingdom. ठीक है. Got it, everyone? Okay. After Sonpal, Sahajpal became the ruler from 1548 to 1575 AD, and he was the 42nd ruler. ठीक है. Okay. Got it, everyone? During the period of Sahajpal, Hussain Khan Tukurian, Mansabdar of the Akbar, made an unsuccessful attempt to win this Himalayan treaty. ठीक है. सो क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि किसके टाइम पीरियड पे हुसैन खान तुकरियन, हु इज हुसैन खान तुकरियन? ही इज द मनसबदार ऑफ अकबर. ही इज द मनसबदार ऑफ अकबर. ठीक है. He made an unsuccessful attempt. He made an unsuccessful attempt to win the Himalayan treaty. Himalayan territory. ठीक है. Got it, everyone? Okay. So after the Sahajpal, Balbhadrapal. ठीक है. Balbhadrapal is the most important king. ठीक है. In 15 and he ruled from 1575 to 1561 AD. ठीक है. And Behlol Lodi, who is the Sultan of the Delhi, he honored the Pawar king Balbhadra by the title of Saha. ठीक है. So he was given the title Saha, and after this all the kings, instead of writing the Pal, they used to write a name Shah, such as the Man Shah, Sham Shah, Manendra Shah. ठीक है. So in 15th century, Shah title was given to him by Sultan of Delhi, known as the Behlol Lodi. ठीक है. Okay, got it everyone? He defeated the king of Kumaon. Balabhadrapal, he also defeated the king of Kumaon in 1591. ठीक है, and he made a very good relation with the Katyuri king Sukhaldev. ठीक है, सुखलदेव हु इज अ कत्यूरी किंग, उसके साथ इसके बहुत अच्छे संबंध थे. ठीक है, सो क्वेश्चन यहीं से आ सकता है कि बलभद्र पाल और उसमें कितने इसको टाइटल दिया था शाह का. ठीक है, सो आज के लेक्चर में इतना ही है. ठीक है, आज के लेक्चर में हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा है. आज के लेक्चर में हमने पढ़ा पवार डायनेस्टी के बारे में. पवार डायनेस्टी वाज रूल्ड बाय 52 किंग. ठीक है, दे रूल टिल द 14th century. ठीक है, got it everyone? The first ruler as per the Atkinson Williams is the Kanakpal. Kanakpal came to the Garhwal for pilgrimage. He married the daughter of the Bhanu Pratap. Chandigarh was given this Chandpurgarh was given to him as a gift, and then he established his kingdom there. ठीक है, in which year he had established the Pawar dynasty in 888 AD. ठीक है, after Chandpal, Sonpal was the most important king. ठीक है, who made a capital to the Bilang Valley, and all the generation that shifted his capital to Bilang Valley is known as the Sonvansi. After the Sonpal, Lakhandev, then Anandpal II, then Jagatpal, and the most important king, the Ajaypal, ruled the Pawar dynasty. ठीक है, Ajaypal united all the Bawan Gards. He united these Gards and established himself as the most powerful ruler. He shifted his capital to Devalgarh in 1506, then to Srinagar in 1780. ठीक है, he was the one who snatched the throne of gold from the Katyuri rulers. ठीक है, got it everyone? He was being referred as the Garhwal का अशोक, Garhwal का नेपोलियन, Garhwal का दुर्योधन, Garhwal का विश्वमारक. ठीक है, he started the pratha of the Sarol Brahman. ठीक है, after the Ajaypal, Sahajpal became the ruler and he was the 42nd ruler. ठीक है, okay, got it everyone? And during his reign, Hussain Khan Tukriyan, who is known as the Mansabdar of Akbar, made a very unsuccessful attempt to make to capture the Himalayan territory. After the Sahajpal, Balabhadrapal became the ruler from 1575 to 1561. ठीक है, and he was given the title of the Shah by the Sultan of the Delhi, Behlol Lodi. ठीक है, got it everyone? Thank you.